Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Friday, January 3rd. Saw quite a bit of rain in the pre-dawn hours and overnight, a little bit over a quarter inch here at Wallops. The rain has just ended over the past 15 to 20 minutes, and we are expected to see this lull in the rain continue for the bulk of the workday before chances increase after about 2 or 3 p.m. this afternoon, and then we'll see some heavier rain develop as we get after 4 p.m. and towards sunset this evening. Taking a quick look at our surface analysis, there's that big batch of rain that went over pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic region in the pre-dawn hours. We've since seen that rain end, like I said, in the past 15 minutes or so, and we are going to see still a slight chance of a sprinkle or drizzle as we go throughout the remainder of the morning hours, but we could actually be seeing a little bit of a peak of sunshine as we go closer to lunchtime in the early afternoon before we start to see rain chances quickly increase again once we get towards the late afternoon hours. Here's a quick look at our radar. There's the departing rain that is moving off to the east, and you can see behind it downstream there's really no more radar returns, and we do anticipate that to continue for the next several hours. Let's take a quick look at the satellite loop this morning. Here's our infrared satellite. There's that batch of rain and thicker clouds that have moved east of the Delmarva, and you can kind of see some clearer spots in the satellite here across mainland Virginia continuing to move east, and that's where when that moves over our area, that's when we might see some brief peaks of sunshine. Looks like the best chance of seeing any sunshine is going to be between about noon and 2 p.m. For the next couple hours. It does look like, though, we are going to continue to see some low cloudiness continue, and then we'll see that break up a little bit in the early afternoon hours before we see our next batch of heavier rain develop as we get closer to sunset and into the overnight hours tonight. As of 8 a.m., we were seeing broken cloudiness at 500 feet, overcast at 1,000 with some slightly restricted visibility. Winds are from the southwest, azimuth 220 to 8 knots with a temperature of 48 degrees, so rather mild out there for early January. Taking a look at our forecast for today, it is going to be rather mild for a high temperature, seeing temperatures about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year with that high of 58 degrees expected early this afternoon.